Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, May 9th, 2025, we're diving into Bitcoin, which has just broken above $100,000 again. We'll cover the breaking news and then analyze the charts to see what's next for BTCUSD. Recent reports show Bitcoin hitting $102,800, fueled by institutional activity and a surge in confidence following President Trump's new trade deals. Coinbase's $2.9 billion acquisition of Deribit has also boosted market sentiment, along with the legalization of strategic BTC reserves in 2 U.S. states. Let's start by looking at the daily chart to get a broad overview. Zooming out, we can see Bitcoin has been on a generally upward trend since late 2023, confirming what the news implies. Filtering the chart to focus on the most recent few months, we can see BTC consolidated after the surge. Zooming in closer, we can see a large green candle today. It's trying to push through resistance, bolstered by the recent news. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart for a closer look at recent price action. On the 1-hour timeframe, we can see more volatility, with a sharp increase in price as the news broke, followed by some consolidation. Switching to the 15-minute chart gives us an even more granular view. We can clearly see the push after the news was announced. Keep an eye on the $100,000 and $1,700 level, as analysts are saying this needs to hold as the new support. If we can hold above this, further upside is likely short-term. However, be mindful of potential pullbacks. Tensions between India and Pakistan and the Federal Reserve's interest rate decisions, as reported by CNBC, could inject volatility into the market. We can't ignore the $75,000 low that was set after President Trump's tariff announcement on April 2, 2025. Keep this in mind as a potential downside target if bullish momentum fades. Profit-taking by investors, averaging $1 billion daily, according to Cointelegraph, could also contribute to downward pressure. In summary, Bitcoin's surge is supported by positive news and growing institutional adoption. Key price levels to watch are $100,000 and $1,700 as immediate support and the January high of $109,350 as a potential upside target. A break above $109,350 would signal a strong continuation of the bull trend. However, macro and geopolitical factors could introduce volatility. Be prepared for potential pullbacks to the $75,000 level if bullish sentiment weakens. Also, keep an eye on the U.S.-China talks scheduled for May 10th, which may lead to further volatility.